Hello everyone. Welcome to Abhyas IIM Prep. A good news for those students who are preparing for IPMAT examination 2025. One more IIM has started taking students for IPMAT admissions into bachelor's integrated with MBA. So the new IIM is IIM Amritsar. So from the academic year 2025 onwards, IIM Amritsar is also going to take students for its integrated program for MBA. So the intake will be purely based on IPMAT indoor examinations. They will consider scores of IPMAT indoor for entry into IIM Amritsar. So let's have a detailed look into the IIM Amritsar program and the other details whichever mentioned in their own website. So after opening this iimamritsar.ac.in, you need to click on these three bars so that you can actually navigating into the program. So these are the several programs available. Now this is the new course, new program, integrated program in management. So click on the above program. So this is the program, 5 years integrated program, but the catch here is it is not BBA. In the bachelor's, they are offering Bachelor of Science in Quantitative Finance and Economics. That means it basically is a BSc program. So in the bachelor's level, they are offering BSc, and in the master level, they are offering MBA. So instead of BBA plus MBA, they are offering BSc plus MBA, Bachelor of Science in Quantitative Finance and Economics plus Master of Business Administration, 2 years MBA program plus 3 years BSc program. So this is the basic details of IIM program, IPMAT program in IIM Amritsar. So the program highlights what are the courses they are offering, what are the different subjects, different courses they are offering in the BBA plus MBA, BSc plus MBA level. They have mentioned here detail. Coming to the admission process, first you need to fill two different applications. The very first procedure is first you need to apply for IIM Amritsar separately, and you need to apply for IPMAT Indoor separately. And the IPMAT Indoor application details need to be mentioned in the IIM Amritsar separately. So you need to you need to fill up the application of IIM Indoor, and the details should be mentioned with the IIM Amritsar, because IIM Amritsar is not going to conduct separate exam. You need to write IIM Indoor exam only, IPMAT Indoor exam only, and based on the score you have secured in IPMAT Indoor, they will shortlist for the next procedure. So you need to fill the IIM Indoor application. The deadline they have mentioned here is 12th April 2025. So before 12th April 2025, you need to fill the application of IIM Amritsar. So meanwhile, you also need to fill the application of IPMAT Indoor. But till now, IPMAT Indoor haven't released any application, but we got the exam dates. The exam date of IPMAT Indoor is May 12th. That means definitely before April only, IPMAT Indoor will release their notification, will start registrations. After registering at IPMAT Indoor, you can upload the details here. So these are the basic details. So based on the written score of IPMAT Indoor, they will consider your candidature for IPMAT in Amritsar. So you need to apply in the following links. So meanwhile, we can also look into other structure. They haven't mentioned about fee structure. It will be updated in the short course of time. And the admission policy, how they are going to take students. So and eligibility criteria, everything they have mentioned. First, they will call this program as IMBA instead of IPMAT. They will call this program as Integrated Masters of Business Administration, IMBA program. So the details, these are following details. Eligibility criteria: the maximum age is 20 years as of 1st July 2025, which is case with all the IVMs. Everyone is taking based on maximum age in every IPMAT exam is 20 years generally, and the score in the qualifying exams. You should get minimum of 60% of score in your 10th and 12th class for OC, OBC, and EWS, and 55% weight, 55% marks for SC, ST, and PWD. Similar to the eligibility criteria is similar to IIM Rohtak also. So minimum 60% weightage in 10th and 12th, and 55% weightage for SC, ST, OBC. And coming to the other details, those who are appearing for 12th class board exams this year, they also can apply here. And coming to the weightage, etc., and all. And one more thing is mandatory: you should in your 12th class, you should appear in mathematics. Only mathematics students are eligible here. So this is what they have mentioned in detail. So read this procedure detailedly so that you can get those things. So those with maths background are eligible to apply here in the 12th class. Maths background in the 12th class. Okay, so this is the criteria. As IPMAT indoor exam has these three sections: quantitative ability MCQs, SAQs, and verbal ability MCQs. So this is the weightage they will be considering for this IIM Amritsar. 30% weightage for quant MCQs, 30% weightage for quant SAQs, 40% weightage for verbal ability. So they will, based on this weightage, they will consider your candidature. Next. So the weightage for written test is only 70%, 25% will be personal interview, and 5% weightage will be gender diversity. That means they are not going to consider your 10th and 12th class in their final score. That is only for minimum qualification. 10th and 12th class marks are only for minimum qualification. But coming to the merit list, they won't consider your 10th and 12th scores. The only scores they will calculate is your written test in IPMAT indoor and your interview score and the gender diversity. So basically to promote female students here. Female students and other gender also. It need not be female students, also promoting other gender. So finally 70% for written, 25% for interview, and 5% for gender diversity. So these are some of the details where they have given. So now after reading all these things, what you have to do, you need to apply for IIM Amritsar separately in their website. So they have given links here, application procedure. So first you need to enter all these details for registration. After that, you can log in. So I have all, you need to fill in your contact details, country code, mobile number, personal information, name, date of birth, gender, any other things, and course you are applying for. So you need to apply IPMAT, integrated program in management. This is the course you need to apply for. So after getting all these things, you need to log in. Go back to login. I already filled the details. So after logging in, the basic details will be all automatically filled. So program shortlisted, you have chosen IPMAT and apply now and fill all the details here, your personal details and your parents details also. Fill all these details. So you need to maintain all these details. You have your own email ID and phone number, and your parents email ID and phone number you need to submit, and the education qualification, the first 12th class. So which board you are applying for, which from which college, and what is the specialization, or MPC or MEC. Maths is mandatory here. And are you appearing? If you are appearing, click on tick, so that automatically it will be closed. And next 10th class, your board, your school name, your specialization, what are the subjects you have chosen in your 10th class: maths, social science, and physical science, etc., etc. The all the detail, all the subjects you can mention here, and which year and month you have passed, and what your percentage. So if you have CGPA, you can click here like this, or if your percentage, you click here like this, you fill and submit, save and continue. The website is loading. Let's wait. After clicking on save and continue, they will ask for registration details of IPMAT Indoor. As IPMAT Indoor application did not started, so up to this level, you can fill the details and keep it on the save and continue. So that automatically all the details will be saved. When IPMAT Indoor application opens, you fill the IPMAT Indoor application and take the printout, download the application, and you need to upload that application in this particular website. So these are the steps you need to follow. So continue till the end of the all the stages. After that, uh, save the details, and whenever the IIM exam happens, after the examination, automatically your details will be shared to this IPMAT Amritsar, and they will call you for interview procedure. So these are the details of applying for IIM Amritsar. So no separate exam for IIM Amritsar. The only exam they will consider is IPMAT Indoor. So IPMAT Indoor, based on the scores obtained in IPMAT Indoor, you will be considered. You will be decided for shortlisting for merit list in IPMAT Amritsar. So all the best for your IPMAT examination. So for any queries, you can reach out to IIM Amritsar details website, or you can always contact us at Abhyas IIM Prep support number. We are here. You